Hey everyone, welcome back to CraftyPlannerLovR. My name is Megan and today we're going to be planning in my Hobonichi Weeks dupe planner for the week of May 18th through the 24th using this kit from SweetRTDesigns. Now this is actually a Hobonichi cousin kit, and I just decided, you know what, I'm going to use it in this planner because I need to use up this kit, and I can make any kit work in my planner, so I'm going to show you how I do that. I thought that this kit would be cute for the last week before I go to Orlando for the summer, so this is what we have here, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, how have you guys been? What's been happening in your life? What have you been up to? I think I'm going to do this as the washi down of a spine. I have to get my scissors. So I am in the middle of getting things packed up and ready to go for my summer in Orlando. And if you didn't know, surprise! I am going to be in Orlando over the summer. This is my last week, so if you see a significant amount of videos with these nails, then that would be why, because I am going to be doing a lot of pre-filming and things because I will not have any time to do any filming because I'm going to be getting things unpacked and kind of just hanging out with my family while because I'm going down there because I need to get a summer job. That is the whole reason why I'm going down there, to get a summer job, and hopefully I have already found one, but we will have to see. I still have to you know, still have to do all of the adult things by, you know, checking in with them to see if they got my application and all that stuff. But after I have done all of that, I'm going to be kind of in Orlando until September. So you guys are going to have a different background. I already actually have the background ready to go. Ooh, that's not going to fit. I have the background ready to go for the videos that I will be filming while I'm down there, because I am still going to be filming. I'm not going to stop filming just because I'm in Orlando. Y'all know me, I like to do filming and videos and stuff, so I'm gonna still film, I'm gonna still do stuff, but it's just gonna be slightly different than my normal content, like backgrounds and stuff, you know? I'm just going to leave it like that because I don't feel like ripping that off. Plus, this is going to be covering it up anyway. I did go ahead and put the days of the week on here just to speed up the process of me doing this video. Because, as I said, I'm kind of in a rush because I just got home from school. It is Monday the 18th actually, and I'm trying to get things filmed and edited, and this video has not gone up yet, obviously, and I'm trying to get things filmed and edited and everything. So the work planner video has been uploading while I've been at school. I don't know if it's come up yet. I also have my May social video that's being uploaded. Again, I don't know if it's gone uploaded yet because I haven't checked. I hope to heaven that it has because it's been uploading all day. But I should be more on time with my posting content because the internet where I am at is absolutely ridiculously slow. Like my what is it, the haul that I just uploaded just a couple days ago took 4 days to upload, and that's how bad the internet is here. Like, it is absolutely horrendous. So hopefully you guys will have better internet, like I will have better internet where I am in Orlando, because we live in the boonies back here where I'm at now, and we don't have good service or really any good things. So it's gonna be hopefully a lot faster, because like when I was there over spring break, it took 10 minutes for an hour-long video to upload. So I feel like I will have better like content coming out as far as like uploading speeds and everything coming up. So I'm not to say that I am ungrateful, by the way. I hope I don't sound ungrateful. I probably do, and I probably sound like a selfish, spoiled brat, and I'm not. I'm very grateful that I'm able to live, you know, that I've been able to live with my parents for so long, and that they've put up with me for so long, because I am a lot. I am very high maintenance, not necessarily like extremely high maintenance, but like when I'm filming, I don't like to have background noise. Like I like to have, you know, I'm filming, so I like to have quiet. So I have to wait for, you know, the parents to take a nap or something, and that rarely happens because, you know, anyway, I'm not going to go into the details, but basically, hopefully it will be less chaotic and things will be a little bit easier to get done while I am in Orlando, and you guys will have content. So that's the whole tea, the whole situation of me, you know, just venting to you guys. So hopefully, you know, and like I said, I'm not ungrateful at all. I am so happy and so thankful that I've been able to be here and to be able to, you know, go to work and have my job and everything. It's just really, really stressful when you are trying to get a lot of things done and you can't because nobody respects the schedule that you need to have when it comes to filming and stuff. So it's fine, you know, everything is okay because I will be able to have videos uploaded a lot faster now. Okay, this is definitely going to be able to be used in something else as well. I'm probably going to be able to use this in another spread, because now that we have that down, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to add this bigger box just for some extra additional things that need to be, you know, to be done. I'm gonna put it like, actually here, let's do this. I can't peel this up with my nails. We're gonna do it like this, and we're going to peel that up, move it up a little bit. There we go. Now we've got that there, and let's do, because we have these two here, and I am actually going to make a really long to-do list. I'm going to use all three of these because this is my final week that I'm going to be needing to get things done and to get things moving and grooving. So we're going to have a super long to-do list. I actually have another super long to-do list in my fun and projects planner because I am, like I said, I'm doing a lot of bulk filming and a lot of things. I also have to film my what is it called, my Cereal and Art sharing circle video. I've got to film that too, which I'm going to do as soon as I'm finished with this, if time is allowed and I'm able to get that done. So let's put this guy here. We're definitely going to have leftovers. Ooh, okay, here's what we are going to do with this. We're just going to move everything over. Okay, like that. And then we'll put this one here and this one here. Just like this. And this can go like that. Maybe overlap it just a bit. There we go. Like. Then I'm going to add this and probably this to the corner here. like that. Alright, we are going to have this be the clean house list. And I'm going to grab this. Why? There we go. Thank you. Clean house list. We are going to grab her and her tricycle. Actually, no, we are not. We're going to put her back because we have her here. So then, let's add this girl, just chilling and having a fun little grand time. We're going to put her right there. This Monday did indeed actually suck. I did not have a great day at school today. So we are going to put Mondays suck right there because they do indeed sometimes suck. Then this is going to be for payday, which is this Thursday, which I'm very excited about. And let's see if there's anything else we can add. I'm going to put this guy down here. And probably the other one we will add up here. Just as a, oh, actually put it here. Just as a little fun extra thing, like a little box of stuff that needs to be written. And then we'll also put this guy here. Why? Because I want to, and it looks cool, and so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I like this. So what I will do is I will actually probably, I think there's a month, my monthly, I think is what I'm gonna, there's a monthly that I'm gonna be doing eventually. I don't know if it's gonna be in August or if it's in June. I think it's in August, but it's like a fruit theme. It might be this month, I don't know. So I'll save that for that. I'll save all this for that, and then the reusable sticker stuff I will put in my sticker. Oh, this is actually gonna go here, because this is where I'm going to do all the planner stuff. So let me grab my reusable sticker book so I can add all the icons in here, because we do have a couple more things that we want to add. We don't have school this day, so let's put, oh no, that's next week. Whew! Sorry, I thought it was this week. See, I'm ready to go. Let's do a script. Let's do a script for, I was thinking of doing a laundry script, but I don't know. How about we use this one for laundry? We'll put that there, and let's put probably the pink one. Oh, actually, let's do this one because this matches the colors. This is a Sarah Lynn art script, by the way. Okay, there's that. Let's do, this says wash, dry, and fold. We do need to do trash. Wait, do we have a trash icon here? We do. Let's use that instead. We do need to do trash actually today, so I'm going to put that here. Let's put a script that says trash day. Let's use this one. This is from Designs by Mel. Okay. Payday script is important to add. Let's do the pink one. Oh, or we could do, let's do this one. Oh, actually, here, let's do this Designs by Mel one, because it'll match the other. I do have to do a lot of vacuuming, and I don't really need to use a script for that, so we'll put that there. All right. Let's see, we'll use this guy for our planner time. I think I'm gonna use this red to do. And I think that will be everything that I need. I don't think there's anything else in this sticker book that I need to add. So I think we are good. All right, everyone, that is it for this week in my Hobonichi Weeks planner. I used a Hobonichi Cousin kit in this planner, but I really like how it looks. I think it turned out really great, and I'm excited to use it for this week. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to check out SweetRTDesigns. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video once again, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys.